I thank the ranking member, and as you see, we are partners in this effort, and we will not be deterred. I would also like to thank the chairman of this committee, the full committee, Homeland Security and Governmental Affairs chair and ranking member, for their help. Senator Johnson and Senator Carper have not just supported our efforts. This morning they've released a joint statement which commends PSI efforts in this regard, and I'd now like that statement to be made part of the record. They are supporting us not just on the important work we are doing to combat human trafficking, but also with regard to any actions we might take with regard to Backpage and their unwillingness to cooperate. We began this bipartisan investigation with a very simple goal: better informing Congress about the issue of sex trafficking, how to combat it through smart reforms, including legislative actions. We will not be deterred from that inquiry. If Backpage fails to change course and comply with the subcommittee's subpoena, the appropriate next step is to pursue contempt proceedings. This is a step the Senate has not taken in 20 years. As I said earlier, this is extraordinary, and PSI has not taken for more than 30 years. But regrettably, Backpage's their conduct has invited this very unusual action. When dealing with a party acting in good faith, we would be inclined to pursue what's known as civil contempt. That involves a resolution authorizing the Senate Legal Counsel to bring a civil lawsuit to compel Backpage to comply. But I think I speak for Senator McCaskill and myself when I say this case appears to be more serious than a good faith disagreement. It's not about questions of privilege. As I noted, Backpage's lawyers have told PSI that the company has not even bothered to search for and identify the documents responsive to the subpoena. And with no lawful excuse, the company's CEO has defaulted on his obligation to appear before the subcommittee today. These are not actions of a party acting in good faith. He could have come, he could have pleaded the Fifth. He chose not even to come. Rather, it's evidence of willful defiance of the Senate's process. For those reasons, after consulting with our staff and Senate Legal Counsel, Senator McCaskill and I believe this case may justify a referral to the Department of Justice for criminal contempt. We will consider the appropriate course in the next few days. Again, I'd like to thank the witnesses and my colleagues for their participation today for this very important hearing. The hearing record will remain open for 15 days for any additional comments or questions from any of the subcommittee members. And with that, this hearing is adjourned.